I added milk, banana, and apple, and I made a wonderful recipe. For this recipe I will be cutting 2 apples into cubes, and this recipe, guys, is delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. I'm going to cut now, 2 bananas. Add half a cup of milk. And put it in the blender. I will also add 3 eggs, a cup of sugar, and beat it very well. And people are already commenting there for me, from which city you are watching us, and I will send a super special hug to each of you who comment so already commenting. I will now add 4 tablespoons of butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Hit again. Add our dough in a bowl. Add 2 cups of wheat flour, and mix very well. And today's special big hug goes to Emma from Florida. Thank you so much for always commenting. I really appreciate it. I am now going to add a spoonful of baking powder here, and mix it very well with the whisk. Add our dough in a greased shape, and sprinkled with wheat flour. And take it to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Fahrenheit, for 35 minutes. Our recipe was ready, and it turned out to be a super delicious cake. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. So if you liked it, already share, and until next time. Goodbye.